All right, it was a nasty start this morning. So much rain on my way in for sure, and lots of folks needed their umbrellas. Do we still need them this afternoon?
I would keep it handy, although the wind's blowing enough that it may blow the raindrops underneath your umbrella and get you wet anyway. But yeah, we're not quite done with the off and on showers. That's the top weather headline for this Monday afternoon. Now, those are eventually going to wind down, move off to the east. The cool weather is going to take a couple more days to wind down, though. It's going to be cool all the way through Wednesday and downright chilly during the nighttime hours. More rain on the way Friday night and Saturday, but that's pretty far down the line. The timing on that still could wiggle around a little bit. Looking at the forewarn live radar in motion so you can see where things are and where they're going. We zoomed in on this line of showers a little bit earlier with some heavier downpours here from Overton County right through Cookeville and Putnam County down into White County and moving out of Warren County into Van Buren County, and some slightly heavier rain in Grundy County as well. To the west of Nashville and I-65, we're looking at light off and on showers, and this kind of activity is going to continue swinging through as we head through the afternoon. So it's not going to rain everywhere all the time. Far from it. That heaviest rain has moved well off to our east into East Tennessee and western North Carolina and South Carolina, but we still have general dampness left over. Let's take a look at Futurecast and show you how things are going to shape up for the rest of the day. The light showers are going to continue through early evening, but gradually moving farther and farther to the east. So by drive time this evening, that best chance of wet roads is going to be to the east of I-65. Head to the overnight hours, some clearing. That allows temperatures to drop down into the upper 40s, but partly cloudy skies for most of the night tonight and into the early hours tomorrow. I think the clouds are going to thicken once again tomorrow, and there is a slight chance for a couple showers here and there, but just a couple of them scooting through here and there. I think the radar simulation might be just a tiny bit overdone. Keep an eye on things, though, but I think it's about a 20% chance of getting wet at any one point during the afternoon tomorrow. Not a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, but just enough to keep that rain chance in the forecast. And obviously, it's still cloudy out there right now. We do have quite a bit of that low cloud cover overhead. I had a couple peaks of sunshine on my way into work a couple hours ago, but those are going to be very few and far between the rest of the day. You can see the camera jittering around a little bit because that breeze is picking up out of the west, delivering the cooler air towards us. Temperature stands at 60 degrees in Nashville. That's one of the warmer spots around the mid-state. Mid to upper 50s elsewhere, 60 in Smyrna. Warm spot right now is 65 degrees in Cookeville, just because the cooler air hasn't quite made it to you yet. But with that rain moving through Cookeville right now, yeah, guess what? It's on its way. Let's take a look at temperatures as we head through the rest of the afternoon. You're going to see they just kind of hover here as we head through the afternoon hours, right in the upper 50s to around 60. Enough clearing towards the Tennessee River, you could warm up to the mid-60s there, but the rest of us don't think we're going to be that lucky. And then temperatures drop off as we head through this evening. Low to mid-50s by 8 o'clock tonight, and down into the upper 40s area-wide by early on Tuesday morning. This is actually very normal for the late October time frame, so it might feel a little bit cool, but it's where we're supposed to be. We're just not going to warm up too far. Temperatures at noon, mid to upper 50s tomorrow, and then struggling up to around or just above 60 degrees for highs on Tuesday afternoon. And this cooler than normal weather isn't just here. Below average temperatures diving down through most of the eastern half of the country. And it just takes a little while for that kind of air mass to make its way out of here, so it's going to take until about Thursday for us to warm up, which we will, up to around the low 70s on Thursday, right around 70 Friday before that chance of rain I mentioned earlier heads our way by late Friday and mainly into Friday night and Saturday. Could have a couple frost advisories posted for late Tuesday night into early Wednesday, or late Wednesday night into early Thursday. I think Metro Nashville should stay frost-free, but it might be a close call. A little bit chillier, though, by the end of the weekend. Look at that low temperature Sunday morning, 37. We'll keep you posted on that here on News 4 and on the iHeart radio stations with updated forecasts throughout the week.
All right, fun.